Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to talk about CNC parts again. It's a subject we've covered before, but we want to make sure that we've got everything covered. So this is a CNC part that we made on our brand new CNC machine out there. It's just a sample part, but as you can see, there's some tool lines in here and there's some slight burrs on the edges. Vapor honing works really well for taking off burrs as far as CNC and removing tool marks. There's nothing out there that works any better than what a vapor honing machine can do. In this particular part, we're going to run this one just in our glass bead, and we can see what kind of finish we'll get out of our glass bead. Now with CNC parts, typically when you're running to remove tool marks or deburring, you're probably going to end up using a mixture of aluminum oxide with glass bead because you want that little bit of a cutting edge. You can run parts strictly in aluminum oxide depending on what kind of finish you're looking for. So if you're looking for a finish that you're going to paint or coat later on, you're going to want something that has a little bit of a textured edge so that that paint or that coating adheres to it. But let's try this one in our glass bead and see what happens. All right guys, we've got this piece back out. As you can see, the tool marks are gone. You've got a nice shiny finish to this, and you've got a part that's ready to be sent to a customer. Now, I know with CNC parts, there's fluids that are used to cut these parts in the CNC machines. That's not gonna affect anything. You don't have to worry about cleaning those off before you put those parts in. The vapor honing machine will take care of all of that. We've got customers from our past with CNC parts that are running massive production, huge lines of parts that they're putting out per day. We have helped them with an automated system that's going to work fantastic for them and give them the results they're looking for. I've got customers right now that have 2 of our vapor honing machines that are getting ready to purchase a 3rd one so they can help increase their production. There is no better way to clean CNC parts and get the effect that you're looking for than a vapor honing machine. If you have any questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.